Are pigeons causing problems in your premises? Welcome to Bird Control Solutions in Mumbai. Birds can be more than a nuisance. They can cause health issues and economic loss. Our netting solutions are effective, economical, and virtually invisible. Bird Control Solutions provides customized, expert installations. Our nets are translucent, allowing 100% visibility and air ventilation. We also offer safety nets for trees, car parks, and swimming pools. And for sports areas too. Trusted by many known institutions and organizations. Our skilled team ensures safety and quality in every installation. Harmless to birds and environmentally friendly. Durable, cost-effective, and weatherproof. Contact us today for a healthier, cleaner space.